So in my needle, I already have a green thread. Now I'll take one blue thread. You can take any color. Take a thread about 1 meter long. Measure it from your palm to your shoulder. Now take your 2 fingers and wrap the thread around them completely, like this, to create a bundle. Now keep this bundle on the marked shape here. And with the help of a needle, we'll secure it like this. Just attach the bundle to the cloth. Now do satin stitch on the bottom of this bundle so that it looks like a flower. Take your needle up from here and insert it straight down on the opposite side. Here, you have to fill this triangle shape completely. Once your satin stitch is complete, we'll cut the loops of the thread. Now trim the top part of the bundle evenly like this. And there you go, our cute little bundle flower is ready. It gives a very 3D look and looks really cute.